Hi, my name is Dr. Christina Rahm. I'm the president and founder of Rahm Thomas University and the chief formulator at the Root Brands. I also work with other companies like Bill & Co., Ella Pure, Mercy Dupree Clothinaires, Environ, and Raw Pharmaceutical. I work with these companies because I want to work with different groups that collaborate to find solutions for the world. As a patent holder, as an inventor, as a mother, as a scientist, and an artist, I have a lot of different pieces to the person that I am, just like you do. One of the things about life is hard, life is chaotic, and we have to find solutions. One of the things that I'm very aware of is the increase in drug addiction and alcohol consumption. So I wrote a patent and developed trade secrets that I've incorporated into some of the formulas that I've worked on, like clean spirits and other things that we have at the companies that I mentioned. I will be teaching this patent and teaching educational courses at Rahm Thomas University and International Science Nutrition Society so people can understand and we can find a better way of life. Addiction is something that is a suffering disease. I want to read to you guys a little bit about the patents that I filed and what we're trying to do with all these collaborations to really help people with alcohol and drug addiction. So the patents that I wrote have studies associated with orthosilicic acids and different types of benzenites and other things that are in our earth that can really help pull out addictive properties or environmental toxins in the body. I added vitamin Bs. I also added different C, E, calcium, garlic, wheatgrass, and other different nutritional supplements and formulas to really help people detox their body and then support their body so it doesn't crave the alcohol and drugs as much anymore. My goal is to clean out the system and to really support the neurotransmission of the brain. Do you guys know that when you have an addiction, your body actually craves the either alcohol or drug? It's not imagined, it's actually real. So we have to provide solutions that are not just like putting a Band-Aid on things. I never claim to cure anything. I claim to support people at getting to the root of the issue. These patents and this invention were really made in a desire to help with things like alcohol liver injury and disease, fatty liver disease, things like that. You know, your heart, your liver, your kidneys are all impacted by alcohol and drug addiction. So I did various formulations as well as different utilization processes in manufacturing to really produce products that can help. I will teach these processes as well as other manufacturing processes at the university and in the classes. I hope that you guys get to try the different products. I hope you get to experience the learning situation where we can help people, and I hope that together we find solutions.